GEO5 is the set of geotechnical programs. The aim of this presentation is to show you how easy you can design your construction with GEO5 and how fast you could receive the results. We will start with the Cantilever wall program. It's typical GEO5 changes in geometry. For example, we can make longer and maybe deeper. So verification, oh, it's not enough, so we can change it a bit more, 1.2. So now it is satisfactory. After verification for slip and overtuning, we go to bearing capacity. We can input allowable bearing capacity, or we can run the program spread footing for making design. So, as you see, all data from Cantilever wall were automatically transferred to spread footing, and we can run bearing capacity. We see this. Okay, and we can find out the settlement. It's about 10 millimeters. Then we can make dimensioning of reinforced concrete in the most important cross sections. For example, it can be here in wall Stern. We can add another analysis and check, for example, wall jump here, if it is okay. And the last analysis we should do is the global check or global stability. So we can run slope stability program. In this program, we have to choose slip surface. So we use circular slip surface. We input optimization, and then we can run the analysis. The program automatically finds the worst slip surface. It takes some time, and we see the result is 1.5. It's satisfactory. So, and we have ready the design of the wall. Of course, we need some printout or some documentation of it. So, here we can see all input and output data. But, for example, we like some pictures. So, in dimensioning, we can add picture. Okay. And we can input, for example, some measures. Again, add picture. This picture goes automatically to the database of pictures. And now, when we run the output again, we see that we have the pictures inside. The same here in the dimensioning of reinforcement. We see the forces inside. If we change something in geometry, for example, this geometry, and make protocol again, we see the changes. All the protocol will change automatically. So we don't need to take care if we did some changes or not. So this was a short description how to make the wall using GEO5. What's very special in GEO5 programs is a combination of analytic solutions. They are very fast, effective, with finite elements. If you like to check your construction in finite elements, you can again run, for example, slope stability, and then copy data to clipboard. And then we can write finite element program and paste data from clipboard. And you see that our wall, you can make measure generator, and we have a mesh generated to finite elements. Of course, we have to look at the soils because we didn't input all parameters that we need. For example, elastic modulus, if we run it as elastic solution, but I would recommend to use more Coulomb, not only elastic. And we can go to the first stage and make analysis. So you can see the stress of the construction, and make some nice picture in finite elements. So that's, I suppose, enough for the first presentation, because this presentation is not about finite elements, but just only about abilities of GEO5 software. Thank you.